Ladies and gentlemen, the long wait is over and the event of the year is finally here. Welcome to the 2025 St. Luke's Medical Center Annual Awards.
Ngayong ipinagdiriwang natin ang ika-122 anibersaryo ng St. Luke's. Bibigyan natin ng parangal ang mga taong patuloy na nagbibigay buhay sa ating misyon.
These are the people who, at the end of their shift or at the end of their duties, instead of looking at the clock, will look at the front lines and ask, what else do these patients need?
Kayo po ang inspirasyon ng marami sa amin. Mga ehemplo ng talino, husay at malasakit. Service awardees, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong dedikasyon, maraming salamat sa inyong katapatan, at maraming salamat sa taong-taong serbisyo na ipinagkakaloob nyo na patuloy na bumubuhay sa ating lahat.
I am the future, yeah, I'm a whole new breed. I caught.
If there is anything that I would like for us to be remembered as a hospital, it is not our equipment, it is not our modern technology, it is our people.
Step back around to show you my teeth. Run for cover 'cause you woke up the beast in me. Ring your bell if you're ready to rumble. I'm the king of the jungle.
Over the years, I've seen how our culture of care has evolved. Mas naging malalim, mas naging makatao, at kahit papano, I think, ramdam natin lahat.
When we start understanding or putting ourselves in the shoes of our patients, that's when true empathy begins, and that's when true caring begins. And that's when I know that we have begun a culture of care.
As I reflect of these 35 years, I am filled the gratitude not just for what I've done, but for what I've been part of my profession that uses science with compassion, a role of demands, precision, patience, and purpose.
Your vision and commitment to excellence have shaped this hospital into what it is today. Over these years, marami akong nakitang pagbabago. New technology, new treatments, new faces, but isa lang ang nanatiling buhay, the art of this place.
Sabi nga nila, marami pa tayong dapat gawin. In short, malayo na, pero malayo pa. But you know what? Yan po yung nagbibigay buhay sa atin. Because an organization, we also keep on evolving. We keep on inspiring people. We keep on learning. And we keep on caring.
tonight, let's celebrate 122 years of caring. But more importantly, let's look forward to the next 100 years of caring even more. Happy anniversary and congratulations to all our awardees tonight.